India gets last stop Spain-built C-295 is a carrier aircraft. 40 C-295 aircraft built in Gujarat in India. This is the Spanish aircraft. Facility was launched by Tata Advanced System Limited, and in Gujarat, Tata company launched to facility to production of C-295 aircraft. This is the very good achievement for the Indian Air Force, and Indian Air Force inaugurated in October 2020 by PM Modi and Spanish PM. This is facility in Gujarat inaugurated already in 2024. India gets last of Spain built C-295. This is the 40 numbers of 40 C-295 aircraft built in Gujarat by Indian company Tata, and this facility inaugurated by PM of India and PM of Spain in 2024. Facility was launched by Tata Advanced System Limited. This is the very good sign for Indian defense system.